You need to watch this if you think electric eels are just fish with a few sparks. Prepare to be amazed. These slippery creatures can crank out between 600 to 800 volts. That's enough to knock out a horse. How do they do it? Electric eels have stacks of modified muscle cells called electrocytes. Think of them as tiny battery cells, one side positive, the other negative. When an eel wants to zap, these cells unleash an electrical impulse into the water. Dr. Rupert Collins says, electric eels are like living batteries, and he's not kidding. These underwater shockers use their power not only to hunt but also to defend themselves and navigate murky waters. So next time you think your phone battery is impressive, remember, there's a fish out there that can light up your day. Literally. Stay curious, stay charged, and keep swimming with the science. Catch you on the next electrifying episode.